What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and I'm at the Best Buy, and I'm gonna go see if they got this little Pixie 3, or the 3XL, so I can check it out. Went over to Best Buy to check out the new Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. These were announced on October 9th, and they were leaked all over the internet for many months. Everybody already knew what they looked like, but I wanted to check them out in person. Now, I will say that Pixel 3 XL is very impressive. Big screen, big device, which I like. I like a big screen, and it's wide. I like a wide screen. Now, with this screen, you're going to remember, you're going to be about that notch life at the top. It has that big old notch, and it's deep, and you're going to need some deep pockets for this phone. $900. You're looking at about $950 after shipping and taxes, so you're going to be near $1,000. Now, the Pixel 3, which is the little boy, that one is going to go about $799. You're looking about $850 after taxes. Now, this, to me in the hand, felt like a S8 or S9, so it's going to be a nice device. And like I said, I'll pick this up when it's around 700 bucks, because I'm not going to spend $1,000 for a smartphone. It's probably worth every penny, but I just don't feel like I'm going to spend that much money. Now, I did like the device in hand. It's very thin, big screens, got the Snapdragon 845. It's going to come in 3 colors, the not pink as you see here, the white and the black. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, so it's got some stuff that's already been on some devices. Now, the back scratch is easy, so be careful. Get yourself a case or a skin, because there's been some reports that it scratched. The back scratch is easy. Now, as far as the cameras, this thing's got some big boy cameras. The Pixel 2 XL had some of the best cameras in the game. This camera improves, got things like Top Shot, where it takes your best shot. Also in portrait mode, you can adjust that bokeh on the back. Also got a feature called Night Sight, so that you can take some good low light pictures. Also something with motion blur, so your subject will stay focused even though you're moving the camera. Not sure how that works. Got some improved features on it. Now, it comes with that Pixel stand. If you want to buy that for 79 bucks, that'll be good, because you'll have that wireless charging. Now, as for me, should you buy this device? Look, at $800, $900, it's a little steep, I think. You might want to wait for some good deals and wait, or maybe get it later on down the road, when it's a little bit more affordable. But it's a beautiful device. It has that notch though, but you can remove the notch in the settings, which is good, but not sure why you would have a notch if you can remove it. But that's it, man. I'm AndroidStud. Follow me on Twitter or Instagram. I'll see you later. Peace.